Oh, hello there. Are you cleaning the rugs? You wouldn't mind giving the upholstery a clean too, would you? Wonderful. Careful now. Oh! You're meant to be cleaning mess, not making it. Shall we start again? But this time with a Kärcher. Could you help us clear up this mess, please? You wouldn't mind doing the upholstery too, would you? Without the right accessories, it's very tricky to get into all those little nooks and crannies, meaning cleaning efficiency is significantly reduced. Kärcher's onboard accessories and storage design allow seamless transitions between surfaces. A simple but effective solution. Accessories out of control? There's Kärcher for that.